In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best every plate discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for every plate's discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called terminal.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different types of promo codes and deals that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one at 50% discount of your order, all you need to do is just select your code right here. And this is the promo code. As you can see, you can copy this one from right here and use it on your next purchase to get the 50% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with other promo codes. So for example, if you want to get this one right here, 20% discount of your order, all you need to do is just simply tap right here to show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here. You can tap on this button to copy this promo code. And if you use this one on your next purchase, you'll get that 20% discount right here. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.